Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the lip swatches of Huda Beauty lipsticks. There are 12 shades in total and I'm going to try all of them. I'm going to swatch them on my lips, and without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have nothing on my lips. My lips are a little pigmented, however I'll try my level best to show you the true colors of the lipsticks. I got the entire set from Thailand and they have no names written on it. That's why I have named them shade number 1, shade number 2, so on and so forth. So this is how shade number 1 looks on my lips. I'm extremely sorry for the sloppy application. And now I have a mirror. How fancy! My lips are hurting right now, as you can see, because of all the swatches, and they're not gonna thank me after the end of this video. All the shades might look similar to you, but I swear to you they are very different, and they are extremely pigmented, so I absolutely love them. My lips are burning at this point in time, however the show must go on. Like I said before, I got the entire set from Thailand. However, you can try and search them on Nykaa or on Amazon as well. I don't know why I keep shaking the lipsticks. I mean, what am I doing? This is the only shade that washes me out completely, so it goes without saying this is my least favorite one. However, it might look good on others. And now we have come to the last shade, last but certainly not the least. So we have come to an end, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification as well. And I will see you soon on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.